When I saw this article, I was immediately alarmed by what I read. I have done many videos, articles, and podcasts about the damage of Caucasian ideology has on non-Caucasian people. Many of you thought I was racist or contributing to division among the people. I'm not intentionally trying to cause division among the people, but to make the people aware of the problem or problems we are facing in this world. Caucasian ideology is and will destroy the earth. Now let's get into this article that was written by Quintessa Williams, June 22, 2025. Why School Has More Black Kids Thinking About Suicide. Black students are 3 times more likely to be suspended than white peers. They also account for 27% of referrals to law enforcement and 31% of school-based arrests, despite making up only 16% of the student body. According to a 2023 report from the Center for Disease Control and Prevention, Black students are disproportionately suspended or expelled from school due to zero-tolerance disciplinary policies, resulting in higher rates of criminalization for minor behaviors and worsening mental health outcomes. And this is just one reason why there are more Black kids thinking about suicide. There are many reasons why, and I'm going to give you 5 of them in this video. Let's start with reason number 1, suicide ideation, self-harm and attempts among Black youth. According to data from the AAKOMA Project, 40% of Black adolescents between the ages of 13 and 17 seriously considered suicide in the past year. Additionally, 38% engaged in self-harm and 16% attempted suicide at least once in the past year. Reason number 2, suicide rates and attempts on the rise. Between 2007 and 2020, suicide rates among Black adolescents increased by 144%. According to a report published by Pew Research Center, this increase outpaced all other racial and ethnic groups. Reason number 3, self-harm trends among Black youth. From 2009 to 2016, self-harm cases increased at a slightly higher rate among Black adolescents compared to white youth in England. Despite this, Black youth were less likely to receive psychosocial assessments after self-harm incidents, according to data published in the Journal of Affective Disorders. Let's move on to reason number 4, school as a source of trauma and pathology. Black students frequently encounter racist bullying and harassment from peers and even school staff, both in person and online. When schools fail to address these experiences adequately, it leaves students feeling isolated, unsafe, and unsupported. This was highlighted in a 2023 Teen Vogue article, which featured a story of a teenager who stopped attending school after a presidential election due to escalating racial harassment through text messages. The lack of response from the school administration nearly led to a tragic outcome. Furthermore, systemic racism within the education system, such as biased disciplinary practices and over-policing of Black students, contributes to their mental health challenges. Reason number 5, cultural mismatch and lack of responsive treatment. Only 8% of school-based mental health programs are tailored to meet the needs of African American male students, despite their elevated rates of mental health challenges. This disparity was found in a 2022 report by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention. Moreover, cultural stigma, mistrust, and access obstacles contribute heavily to the problem. Nearly 1 in 3 Black youth who reported needing care didn't receive it. Additionally, only about 25% of African American male adolescents access mental health support, according to a 2023 article from the Tri-State Defender. In conclusion, it is evident that Black youth face a mental health crisis with alarming rates of suicide ideation, self-harm, and suicide attempts. The intersectional factors of race, gender, and sexual orientation compound these challenges, demanding urgent attention. To address this crisis, we must prioritize culturally competent and affirmative mental health services in schools, promote positive youth development programs, address systemic biases, and foster inclusive school climates. By acknowledging the unique experiences and needs of Black LGBTQ youth, we can work towards creating a supportive and equitable environment that values their mental well-being and ensures their voices are heard. And if you think this is not true, then please check out the video "Racism is Killing Black People." You will find the link below. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share. Until next time, stay safe and be blessed.